ngisho comforting process subordination shazona sekuba sengathithi khona inkinga ezayo zingazothi ngifuna ukuthi nilalele video yaMax nabanye abaningi bayakhuluma zingazothi bathi uhulumeni akenze something akasho something but uhulumeni uzithibulele izingane zakwethu and abantu idate ababili kumele umsaka 30 June and as we speak today are more than 20 amamash akhona esengwabonile mina all over KZN all over Eastern Cape Northwest kuningi zingazosiphatha enula sinanda khona amagama so upon it usitshela usekuthana ukuphala wakho mokubona uhulumeni ethule kanje
sesithi woza mhla ka 30 June kunezinto eziterrible kunezinto ezipainful kunezinto ezibhlungu eziyokwenzeka mhla ka 30 June umhla ka 30 June kuyobe kuusuku olukhulu kakhulu eSouth Africa ngoba njengabahlali njengama citizen of this country we are sick and tired we have been expressing ourselves we have been showing our concerns we have been crying and mourning we have been showing ukuthi njengama citizens we are not happy asijabulile kodwa siya ignore we have been ignored our political leaders are ignoring us our judicial systems are ignoring us njengama citizen ase South Africa we feel like so neglected and abandoned we are so abandoned and neglected sizowuthatha umthetho ngomhla ka 30 June sizowuthatha impela umthetho mhla ka 30 June sinxusa nje amaphoyisa ukuthi asebenzisane nathi ngoba asifuni ukuthatha umthetho wawo subeke ezandleni zethu kodwa sifuna ukulekelela wona amaphoyisa ukuzama ukulawula isimo ubugebengu sebungaphezulu kwamaphoyisa esinawo eSouth Africa amajele agcwele awasekho amajele okuvalela igebengu zangaphandle kwalelizwe kulelizwe njengamanje kusuka illegal foreigner ibulale ingane yakamakhelwane ngenxa yokuthi emajele kugcwele leyo illegal foreigner uphinde uyibone futhi ngakusasa seyidlwengula usisi wakamakhelwane ngenxa yokuthi amajele agcwele the same illegal foreigners iphinde futhi uyibone seyibanjwa amaphoyisa seyikade ibamba inkunzi ngesibhamu esingekho emthethweni ngenxa yokuthi amajele ase South Africa agcwele the same criminal amaphoyisa aphinde asidedele sidedelwe amanye amapholisa ama-criminals wayiwona ngentshontsho agwazise igebengu ukuthi zingaboshwa iphume zifike la kwi-society isigebengu sithungathe labantu abebisibophisile sibabulale isigebengu ubugebengu eSouth Africa sebungaphezulu kwamaphoyisa esinawo mhla ka 30 June sicela ukuthi amaphoyisa avumele iSouth African citizens ukuthi babalekelele mhla ka 30 June siyobe silekelela nje amaphoyisa kunoma yini eyobe yenzeka kuyobe kuyithina ama South Africans silekelela umthetho silekelela amaphoyisa kukuwo-ke ukuthi wona ayomelana yini nathi angazi ukuthi njengoba eyimbijana nje waphela amaphoyisa ase-South Africa awafiki inamba nje yawo wonke phelele ayifikile ngisho ku 500,000 so angazi ukuthi ayoyenzani eSouth Africa mengase nje amaphoyisa athi ayamelana nathi mhla ka 30 June angazi mina ukuthi ayobe mangaki lawo maphoyisa lawo ngoba lento esiyobe siyenza mhla ka 30 June akusinto esiyobe siqala into esake sayenza So siyawanxusa ukuthi amaphoyisa awasebenzisane nomphakathi ukuze kuzame ukuqedwa ubugebengu ezweni lethu. Mhla ka-30 June siyobe siphume inkalo zonke thina njengama South Africans. This is not about Zulus, Msunyonyoko, any tribalist, any tribalist. This is not a Zulu thing. This is a South African thing. Lamalebe lawa iphuqe lezinja lezi iqeqebana laseLimpopo ngoba akusiyona iLimpopo yonke lena lengqondo ebolile. Akusiyona iLimpopo yonke. Bakhona abantu baseLimpopo abanengqondo ezihlakaniphile ababonayo ukuthi kwenzakalani eSouth Africa. Bese kuba khona leli iqeqebana elinomlomo omkhulu laseLimpopo elisangana elinukisa umlomo yonke indawo le. Funa ukunitshela ukuthi nina Limpopo people and associated with the illegal foreigners. Mhla ka-30 June niyoyihudela niyoyinyela Msunyonyoko. But those Limpopo people abathi we are true South Africans. We are for South Africa. We are fighting for our thing, our country, in our country. We are fighting for our rights. We are fighting for our country. We are protecting our country for generations to come. Those Limpopo people abanaleyo ngqondo ehlakaniphile kanjalo siyobe sinabo mhla ka-30 June. Ngoba this is a South Africa thing. This is not a Zulu thing. ISouth Africa akuyona eyamaZulu, iSouth Africa eyama-South Africans. So ngiyanibiza ke phansi ko Cape Town ukuthi mhla ka-30 June phansi ko Limpopo, phansi ko North West, ko Free State, Mpumalanga, ko Eastern Cape. Mhla ka-30 June ko Northern Cape. Mhla ka-30 June ko Pretoria. Yonke South Africa sithi mhla ka-30 June zonke igebengu zangaphandle azihambe. Sisho njalo mhla ka-30 June. Sithi ayihambe zonke igebengu. Ngenamaphepha nezinamaphepha. Uma nje uyisigebengu esifikile kulelizwe mhla ka-30 June ziyokushubela izinto. Hamba manje ungakashayi umhla ka-30 June. Hamba. Ubuye sewuright. Sewuphethe ama-document akho, sewuzokwenza into esile eSouth Africa. Bazositshela thina ukuthi udayisa otamatisi estradini. Amasimba lawo. Hlanganapho nokudayisa otamatisi estradini. Ungazositshela ukuthi wena unesaluni eSouth Africa. Amasimba lawo hlanganapho namasaluni wena eSouth Africa. Ngazositshela ukuthi wena thina mawungabe uyi foreign eSouth Africa kumele ube i-specialist kuphela. Kumele ube i-specialist la eSouth Africa. Bawu-2 abantu aba foreign la eSouth Africa aba welcomed. 1 abantu abashadile la eSouth Africa. Ngoba indoda mayishada iyamlanda umfazi wayo kubo. Iyamlanda. Imlethe kubo kwayo indoda. So uma ngabe kunabafazi base Africa bangaphandle abashade amadoda ase South Africa, those women are welcome in our country. Uma ngabe nje ushade eSouth Africa, you are from Nigeria, you are from Zimbabwe, you are from Mozambique, you are from Somalia, you are from Congo, you are from anywhere in this continent, kodwa ushade indoda yase South Africa, you are welcome. In fact, you are a South African, because ngokwe South African culture umfazi mayeshada isibongo sakhe siyaphela ebese ebiza isibongo sendoda yakhe. So uma ngabe umfazi wa outside South Africa kodwa ushade nendoda eli South African, wena awuselona foreign usuyi South African. Uma ngabe wasukela uSuthu wafika washada eSouth Africa, awuseyena umSuthu wena, usuyileso sizwe saleyo ndoda oyishadile. Mangabe ushade uMpedi usuMpedi wena, mangabe ushade umZulu usuMzulu, mangabe ushade umXhosa usuMxhosa.